Hey folks, hey, I'm working on a Honda Sienna. Customer complaint is air conditioning is hot. And he put one of those cans that you could put in for yourself with a little trigger, and it leaked out. He said it was cold for a little bit and then it leaked out. So I tried to look for a leak. Remember, I'm not an AC guy, but you could use common sense. And I used soapy water and Windex, and I tried to look for a little soapy bubble coming out, but I couldn't find it. But what you can do is you can hear it. You hear a little leak. Watch this. I traced it down. I grabbed this hose over here, and I was able to wiggle the hose, and the noise started to piss out a little bit more. Check this out. I want to put this here on this nut. This is the hose that attaches to the compressor. Let's see if we can hear it. See it shut off? I'm actually making it a little tighter. The noise goes away. See? So that's where the leak is coming from. Doesn't hold a vacuum or nothing. It was just coming out of there. So let's see if I loosen it up. I don't want to snap the bolt. So I'm assuming that there's a gasket there. Like I said, I'm not an AC guy. So if there is a gasket there or an O-ring there, then that has to be changed. But this is where the leak is that I see so far. Hopefully you guys can hear it. I put a microphone right there. I'm gonna wiggle this wrench again. Yeah. Okay. So I don't know if the hose is damaged, O-ring or gasket in there. There's where the leak is. All right. So I'm gonna go take care of that. If I find anything, I'll continue this video. Otherwise, this is where the leak is. All right. Thanks for watching. Ciao. All right, so a 10mm bolt takes that center bolt off, and this hose assembly will come out. Okay. Now, if you look carefully at the O-ring, remember the compressor was changed. Not sure how long ago it was changed. But if you look carefully, the O-ring looked nice and round over here. But when you come around this way, you can see it's crushed. See it? So that's probably why it's leaking. Do you see it? I don't want to point to my finger because it throws it off. But yeah, you can see the O-ring is crushed right there. Perfectly round over here in the back. So that will probably explain why it's leaking from there. Alright? Like this is pretty much a straight flush fit into the hole, and the bolt only secures it in there. But it's funny that when I was playing with the bolt, tightening it and stuff, the noise is going away. Alright, so we're going to change that O-ring and put Freon in it, or refrigerant, as most folks say, and we'll be on our way. Let's do it. Alright, food for thought here. With the new O-ring, it's still leaking, but it's hard to detect exactly where. But if you grab this line and you wiggle it, it's leaking. If you grab the bolt with the 10mm and tighten it a little bit, it shuts up for a little bit. But this is what I'm thinking of. Food for thought. Look at this aluminum surface. See how it's brown all the way around? You got all the little rust spots here. Not rust because it's aluminum. Oxidation. I'm thinking that maybe this is not a flat surface anymore. And it's not going flush up against the compressor, and that's why it's leaking. So I'm going to wire brush this up nice and clean and try it again. Let's see. That's my thought. Because I don't see a leak around here. I don't see a crack around here. I don't see anything. Seems to be like whenever I wiggle this or move it, it has a little bit of a leak. So it makes sense that maybe this is not a flat surface. Then again, I don't know where the compressor came from. trying to take a picture of it down there to see if that has a flat surface. I don't know if it's new or remanufactured. I don't know what it is. All right, I'm going to continue. Let you know if that's the problem. All right, here we go. Cleaned up the surface now. Smooth. It's flat. So hopefully this will be the reason why it's leaking. Doesn't hurt to try, right? Got all that oxidation out. Because remember, that oxidation is going to add a couple of thousands of millimeters thicker to the item, and it's not going to sit flush. So I'm thinking that's the reason why it's leaking. Otherwise, we'll have to go for a line. I don't think it needs a compressor, but it's hard to tell. Very hard to tell. I can't tell the surface of there, but since it's new or it's remanufactured, I'm assuming it's a flush surface. All right, so we're going to put this back together, and we're going to see if it's not leaking anymore. Let's do it. All right, so sanding the surface did not solve the problem. So most likely it's going to need the line. All right, so it's going to be this line with the bolt. Goes down, around, comes around, and it goes to the condenser. So that means the front of this nose has to come off in order to get to the bolt, because it goes this way. All right, so that's where the leak is from. Like I said, if you grab this line over here and wiggle it, you can hear it pissing out a little bit. So I couldn't tell if it was the bolt, the flange, the flat part, or actually the pipe going to the flange. But either way, enough messing around with it. Customer did say it was a fairly new compressor, so I'm going to go with a line. All right, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Oh, P.S. PD Steve has something to say.
Shout out to Muscle Marcus.
Muscle Marcus, we got you, buddy. Thanks for watching. You're on Candid Camera.